Your night, a powerful time to manifest a good thing in your life, to manifest things in your life, because it's one of the quiet time and most active time to produce things to come to manifestation in the daylight. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. All right. Today I want to talk about how you can use your night to manifest everything you want in this life, because it's not the way they have targeted to be, that the night is evil, that the night is bad. No. Like the ways, not like the way spirits are not necessarily good and spirits are not necessarily bad. Even good things happen on the daytime and bad things happen on the daytime too. But I want to let you know things you should know about the night. A little housekeeping before I can continue. All right. Welcome back. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Sijelewan Yumeriodo. I'm from Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. Here in my channel, I talk about health and spiritual tips, life in general. Here, I teach you how life is made easy with herbs, roots, and animal. Alright, if that is what you want, you're welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload video like this one in my channel, you'll be the first to get notified. And for our returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. Right here we cash fun. Feel free, ask me a question on what I'm teaching you or what you've experienced in life as a human. All right. And in case you need any of those my products that you just watched, our services like consultation or any kind of spiritual work at all, you can chat me up on my only WhatsApp number on the screen. Distance is not a barrier. I can get to you wherever you are. Okay? Yes, the spiritual controls the physical. All right? Today I want to let you know that. Let's get into it. Today I want to let you know that darkness bet the day. If you are somebody that have been seeing darkness as an evil thing, from today stop seeing it as an evil thing. Darkness bet the day. Without the darkness, there will be nothing like day. Yes, without the darkness, there is nothing like day. And everything you see that comes into existence was created in the dark. Yes. Only the spiritual minded people will understand what I'm saying. If you're carnal, you won't understand. Everything that is good that you're seeing in the world was manifested, was began in the night. You just saw the result at that time. You saw the result at night. Let me use start at day. Let me use, you just saw the result during the day. Let me use plants, for example. When you plant a seed, when you dig the ground and plant a seed, when you cover it, the seed is in the dark till for 3, 4, 5 days, depending on the kind of plant you put. You see it start growing. But actually it growed in the dark before it starts popping up where people will see it and know that this is a fruit, any kind of fruit. Then it starts growing, growing, growing till it start bearing fruit in its own season. Not just because it was mango, when it grow to a certain level that is supposed to grow, it starts growing and bear, that is supposed to bear fruit, start bearing fruit. No, it only bear fruit. It will wait until the season of that fruit starts coming. That is when it will come. It still waits and progress during the night, and people see it during the day. Let me also use human being to portray what I'm saying. When human being make out at night, the sperm goes into the woman body at in the dark. That place is very dark. Yes, is a very dark place. Yes, that particular portal is dark till it pass the due process, the sperm and the ovary, the egg of the woman, till it starts, till after 9 months, they now birth it to daylight. People will start seeing that it's a baby or it's not a baby, or it's a baby girl or it's a baby boy. Every good thing, even people that study books, that read, they read mostly at night. They burn their candle to make what they read go into their head, stick into their head, and they make use of what the information they got through that book to manifest what you're enjoying during the day. Even the food you're enjoying, like I rightly said before, grow in the dark. So if you must grow in the dark. Use your night very well. Use your night. For those of you that like making use of the sun first to pray, I didn't say making use of the sun to pray is not good, but sun start coming when once it's 12 a.m. the sun starts coming out. Then it brightens when once it's 8, sometimes 7. From 7, 8, 9, the sun will start coming out where people will be seeing it. But it begins its journey at night. So for you to bring out the real you in this awakening journey, somebody that wants to grow spiritually, for you to grow spiritually, you grow mostly at night. Because at that particular time, everywhere is quiet. No movement, no distraction. You leaving your telly on is an option. You can off it. By that time, your kids, if you have kids, has gone to bed. That is when you do your night prayer. That is when you tell the universe what you want to achieve that day. You create your wall, your words, your wall that day, that time. You tell the universe how you want your day to be for you, what you want, how you want it. It manifests in the day. That is when spirits are at alert. Yes. If you are somebody that always go out at night, you go out and come back very late at night, you meet some spirits on a journey. Not that you don't meet them during the day, but they work mostly at night. That is why you see a spiritualist do most of their work at night. Nothing like distraction. It goes direct to where you send it to. Even that is when the occult people, they want to take somebody's life, or witchcraft, somebody that use black magic. Somebody that use black magic want to affect somebody during the night, because that particular time you are sleeping. Their victim is sleeping jejely. Their spirit, everything is there and calm. That is when they get you. Then the person will be walking, living dead, will be walking till the D-Day. Piam, maybe na breeze of bike just touch am, e don die, you no know say e don already buy the market since. Because most of you, they don already use una, but una no even know. You're just a living dead. You don't really know what has gone wrong in your life, but you can make it through the night. And with the help of a spiritualist, if you see yourself being weak in prayers, being weak in doing most of the spiritual thing you know that you used to do before, you need to make haste when there is sunshine. So for you to excel, you need to learn how to stand up to command your day by 12:1, at most 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock prayer is the most effective. Not that other times don't work, but 3 o'clock prayer is the most effective prayer I've ever seen, tested and confirmed. So today, from today, I don't want you to start feeling dizzy or weak in prayers. Stand up. If you need any assistance, you can. If you find me comfortable in telling me what you want, tell me and I will help you out. From today, learn how to charge yourself. You can recharge. Very good time for you to recharge yourself is during the night. That is when you harness, and a lot of portals during the night, a lot of portals is being opened. A lot of portals is being opened for you to make a wish of what you want, or it depends on what you want. Make a wish. Say it to the universe. You see the thing coming to pass. If it doesn't, another thing that I want you to understand is patience is the key. Continue working, but work smart. Continue in that your business. Continue in that your journey as a spiritualist. Continue. You see yourself making it. I know it's not an easy one. That others are sleeping, you are awake. But it's worth it. When you start sleeping when you're young, when you're old, what will you be doing? Excuse me. What will you be doing? You better stand up and start making use of your night to produce results, what people will start enjoying during the day. You are the answer prayer to some persons as a spiritualist. So stand up and start building your world at night. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment section below and ask me. Like I said, we'll be starting our lectures. If you want me to be your mentor on how to start your spiritual journey, somebody that have a call, you can chat me up. We'll talk about it. We are kicking off first week of February. Alright, please stay safe. See you on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.